Sometimes some people don't even wear makeup because of the fear that how are they going to take everything off? Why? What will happen if the makeup didn't go off? What will happen?
You make me touch the sky when I'm down.
My name is Maggie, M&S Beauty Concept YouTube channel. If you are first time to this channel, our channel is all about beauty. So I know a lot of people, they are scared of makeup, but those thinking are just bare imagination. The real fact is, I can use myself as an example. I am makeup addicted. I love makeup and makeup love me. So I think with the look of my skin, I can say I have a very good skin that that everyone will be wishing to have as well. The important thing about makeup, you have to know makeup, you have to know how to apply it, how to take it off, how to care for your skin afterwards. I just arrived home now. I thought I should share with my M&S family and the YouTube lovers worldwide to share how I've been taking care of my face after a long all day face makeup. Sometimes some people don't even wear makeup because of the fear that how are they going to take everything off? Why? What will happen if the makeup didn't go off? What will happen to their skin if their skin is not breathing? You can always check our channel out. We have every week a lot of wonders that can beautify your beautification journey. Okay, before I talk you over, let's go straight to business. This video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use your kitchen recipe to take out your eyelashes and as a face cleanser too. First, this is a makeup for party look, so it's a little bit calm glam. So first thing I'll be doing, this is a Gum and Go eyelash. So what I use to remove my eyelashes, I use a kitchen recipe. When you take your eyelashes just out like that, it can take your natural hair out with it, with which is not so nice. So all you need your olive oil. Don't know if you can see it, and a cotton, but this is the same to clean your ear. So you just put the cotton bud in the oil, you bend down, you apply it. Like I always say in all my videos is, please before you start any application, any beauty application, make sure your hands are clean. You just put it there on the line where the gum and the eyeliner is. Just apply it, leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. You see the lashes will go out. This is just olive oil from your kitchen, the same olive oil you use in cooking. So when you are done with rubbing down just a little bit, most especially is this line where you apply your glue. The reason for using olive oil is to ease the gum so that you can easily take out the fake lash, because when you take it out dry, it can happen that your real hair will go with it. Now we are 2 minutes is over. We just you see how easy it goes out. Just that from your kitchen, you don't even need need any extra. You see, it's out. That's it. So after the olive oil, the eyelashes is removed, the next thing is I want to clean my face with a natural do-it-yourself face cleanser. What do we need? We use 3-in-1. 3 teaspoons of water, 3 tablespoons of water, tablespoon is a big spoon you used to eat, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider. They call in German Apfelessig. When you are the type that really wants more, you can take 6 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider. So then you also need a cleaning pad to clean the face. Why do we use apple cider? Apple cider or Apfelessig that they call in German, it has the ability to fight many types of bacteria and fungus. It contains organic acid which suppresses inflammations. It contains lactic acid which reduces scars. This cleanser is also very good for people who have lots of problem with acne and they are suffering from it. So you pour the apple cider, mix with the water. You can mix with your hand. It's the same thing you can use for salad sauce. You put your tissue inside and start to clean your face. You clean in a circular motion. This is what I use as my cleanser. Use as in circular motion. I know sometimes some people might say, oh, the smell is so strong. I can't even. The smell is not a problem, you know. And it also helps to calm down your face. This is the cleanser I have been using for a while now, and I'm very satisfied. Oh, my people. Now my face is almost clean. You see, you wonder. See the 2 I've used before. And see the 3rd one. It's almost no stain. It's almost no stain. So now I feel my face so relaxed, so fresh. I know there are lots of cleanser in the market, but when you are the type that is having complication with your skin, try your kitchen recipe. So guys, this is it. So I thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Let me go now to take off the earring, to take off my gele. If you have not subscribed, I think it's a good thing for you to hit the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime our wonderful tutorial videos is uploaded, so you will not miss out. But we have upload day, which is every Wednesday 6 p.m. Central Europe time. I hope you guys have learned a little or more from this video. I look forward to see you guys on Wednesday 6 p.m. From me to you, bye for now. Take care.